But we still got a lot of flooding coming into the yard, even though the rain stopped. That's our new little rabbit hutch we picked up yesterday. We were going to clean out, but oh my God. So this water is coming from the neighbor's yard. Try to get across here. Let me see here. So we're gonna get, I hear you, honey. You guys are staying in there. We're gonna get way more flooding because it's coming down from everybody else's yard. And it looks like well, our grass is flooded. That's not good. The round pit is getting more and more flooded. This isn't the end of it. It's because it's coming from... You guys stay up there, sweethearts. I know. It's coming from there. I see you, Indy. Matter of fact, I'm going across here. I see you, Indy. Because we've got more flooding coming through here. Oh. Jeez. All right. I can't get over there. Hi, Indy. Oh, poor girl. Poor girl. All right. My poor chickens, they're upset.